Hi, and thanks for being a Barchart subscriber. Barchart has introduced a professional featured investor portfolio that allows you to monitor and analyze your investments. The new portfolio differs significantly from the existing portfolio in that it is a true transactional portfolio. Multiple transactions for any one asset are grouped into a single position. The portfolio automatically adds all corporate actions like dividends and splits as they occur. It also allows for dividends to be automatically reinvested with new shares purchased. Your transaction history can be edited, including adjustments to price, quantity, and the transaction date. You can monitor the value of your portfolio positions over time with the market value chart. You'll identify a currency in which your portfolio is valued, and this enables your portfolio to support transactions entered and valued in different currencies. It allows you to maintain positions for other assets such as real estate, artwork, and so on. And finally, your portfolio value is constantly recalculated using CBOE real-time data for U.S. equities and current exchange rates. If you're ready to get started building your investor portfolio, you'll find it easy to do so. Just log into your Barchart account and look for the investor portfolio on the Tools menu. But if you should need some help, we've provided additional short tutorials designed to help you along the way. Look for them in the site education page or in page help at the top right corner of any investor portfolio page. And if you have existing portfolios in your Barchart account, we've provided an optional conversion tool you can use. This will move your old portfolios over to the new investor portfolio. Just look for the Convert Your Portfolio page and then begin by watching the short tutorial found there. Thanks for watching, and thank you for being a Barchart subscriber.